Are you ready? Or are you just gonna stare at your hair? Hey everyone, welcome back. Look who's back.
Hi.
I know you guys missed Brooke. For those of you that don't know, this is my 13-year-old daughter. She usually does unboxings with me, but has had a very busy schedule with school starting and activities and social life and all those things. So we were able to get some free time today. We are gonna unbox
Boxycharm.
Yes, we can get started with the Boxycharm. Yes. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and stay here with me every week. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription box with full-size products in it, and it's $21. That's why it's a little bit more, because it does have full-size products in it, and we really like this box.
Yes.
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 This is the card for this month, and it says alter ego. That is the theme. So I'm gonna go through and tell you guys the value of the products that you get from this month's box.
Can we get started?
We can get started.
Okay. First thing in here is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Your fave.
Mm-hmm. What shade is it in?
Bow and Arrow.
That's actually a really popular shade among people who like liquid lipsticks.
Oh.
I do not. And I actually have Lolita 2 from Kat Von D. It's just a little drying for me, so I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway. So this is going to go to someone lucky that might want it, either friends or family, or go in a giveaway. This is worth $20. So if you like this product, you have pretty much just paid for your box. Now I'm gonna have to sanitize it because it's been on Brooke's lips. That's a great nude shade. I'm not gonna swatch it though, just because I wanna keep it new.
Next thing is this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream.
This is a $10 retail value. This is actually a smaller size than the size that I have. So I guess they did. So I guess they do put deluxe sizes in here sometimes, because the one I have is kind of tall and bigger. It does, it smells nice. And it actually works really well. And Brooke is using it now to tell us how it works. Ooh, I see something I like.
It smells good. Okay, next is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara.
This is a great mascara. This is worth $24. And this is lengthening, volume boosting, conditioning. This has given me great results before. The reason why I haven't bought it is because I just have so many other mascaras to get through. It's a really good mascara.
Oh, fancy packaging.
Yes.
Next, I see Briogeo.
Mm-hmm.
Don't Despair, Repair, Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask for... Oh, for hair. for split ends.
I was waiting in such suspense for what? I like this product for a leave-in Are you gonna spray that right over my makeup table onto my brushes? Please don't. Please go that way. So this is just a really moisturizing leave-in conditioner. This sample size. So I guess they've changed this box a little bit, because there are deluxe sizes in this box, and I'm used to having only full sizes, but these are all high-end products that are in here. So the retail price of this size is $16. This is a great way to actually try this product though, because it is such a good size. You would get a lot of use out of this. This is 2 ounces. This has B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract. B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin to help promote healthier hair, to leave you feeling your very best.
Okay. Last product is...
a palette. It's gotta be a palette. It's always a palette.
The Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette.
That's really pretty.
Fancy.
That outer packaging. This is a 10-piece face palette that will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. It's a limited edition palette and has highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you will adore. And it has 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows to complement all skin tones and eye colors, and it retails for $38. It looks really pretty, actually. They've been putting some colorful palettes
Yeah, they have been.
into Boxycharm lately. Okay, so that is the Boxycharm. The retail value of this entire box, even with the full sample sizes, is $108, and you get it all for $21. For me, personally, even if I just kept the mascara, I have paid for this box. But as a bonus, I get a nice hand cream I can throw in my purse, which is actually a pretty decent size, 1.3 fluid ounces, and a cool palette to play with. I'm not gonna play with the liquid lipstick because I don't like matte liquid lipsticks. And a travel size of it. You might actually like this. I have a full size, so if you want this, you can have this. So, you know, I like this box. I think that this palette looks really pretty. Let me know what subscription boxes you get, if you get any. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye. Bye.